to my tutorial on how to more blonde your hair. First, start off by sectioning off your hair. Next, we're going to be using a purple shampoo by Shimmer Lights. Of course, there's other types, but I prefer this one. And a thin, rounded brush. Now, of course, if your hair is a lot longer or thicker, you might want to go ahead and use a thicker, rounded brush. Just make sure you're not pulling super hard on your hair, so I would brush out your hair before you do this. You want to make sure that you only try to get it on the darker parts of your hair rather than the lighter parts, so I try to avoid getting all the way up to the root. Before laying down the top section of your hair, get a little shampoo in your hands and try to run it through your hair with your fingers. If you have never used a purple shampoo before or a purple conditioner, there is a very high chance when you do this that you're going to have purple in your hair for a couple days. But if you use a dishwashing soap, it should come out for the most part, but it should only leave barely a purple tint in your hair. Now take a mirror and make sure that you go all the way out through the back and the sides of it, exactly where all the darker parts of your hair are, and then stick your hair up in a ponytail or bun. Now your hands are going to be purple, so make sure you do wash them and dry them. And it's okay if there is still some left over. Now take a toilet paper or anything really and just get it off your face and your ears and stuff now so you don't have to worry about it later. Next, we're going to be doing a conditioning treatment on our hair. Now, if you have the purple conditioner, you can go ahead and use that, but I'm going to go ahead and use Treseme's Repair and Protect conditioner. I'm going to go ahead and just run that through my hair and then put my hair up.